Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this video, I'll be showing you how to assemble this Vevor hydraulic lift. Now this does come in several different models. Mine is the one that has the capacity to lift 500 pounds. Now assembly is really easy. I'll show you that right now, and I'll demonstrate it in a couple different scenarios. So if you want to hear about this product, stay with me and I'll give you all of the details. Okay, so I have it out of the box. Here are all the pieces. It looks pretty straightforward. However, there aren't any directions. There was no manual in the box that I received, but maybe that's because it came straight from corporate offices. But right away, I noticed one of these, which I don't know where this goes yet, but I am sure that isn't supposed to be like that. So I'm going to take it over to my vise, straighten that out. But you're going to have these pieces, these, I don't know, they look like some type of a sticker to wherever, maybe it'll be apparent where those go exactly. There's a little handle, which I looked at the picture and it does look like this. Just gets mounted like that. I'll be doing that in a second. This is going to come like that. Obviously that just goes on. But first, let me straighten that out and then I'll get back to assembly. First up, I'm going to take the handle and just remove the bolt. And there's a little lock washer on there too. Okay, and then that just goes inside of the channel. I'm just going to hand tighten this and then I'm going to go and get a wrench. And then I'm going to go ahead. Are these the same size? Probably not. I'll have to get 2 wrenches. Okay, so this also has a washer, but it's not a lock washer. It's just a regular washer. I'm going to take these off. Oh, I can't get it off by hand. Okay, so 9/16 is the size for this bolt. You don't have to kill it. And then over here, this looks like a 11/16 wrench. We'll do that. I could take that one off by hand, but I couldn't get this one. Where did it go? Oh, here it is. Okay, so I'm going to take these off. Okay, and then I'm going to set this on there. All right, so these are on, and you can see the wheels have that guard on them. They also have a lock, and then over here, so I'm assuming these are guards that you can put on the wheels on the front. So if you want to just loosen that and put those on, I believe that's what those, logically, that seems like that's what those are used for. This mat got a little bit chewed up during shipping. Yeah, it got a lot chewed up actually. All right, so my mat was actually really beat up when it came. The box was mangled. So there's a hole in this, and then there was a really bad, it was really mangled at the end, so I took a straight edge and cut it off. So it's just a tiny bit smaller than it would have been. So I'm going to take these 2-sided stickers. I did clean off, I wiped off this back side the best that I could. You want to make sure this is not, you don't want to use it, get it dirty, and then do this. So go ahead. I think I'm going to do a sticker directly underneath that part. I'm going to obviously do each of the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, they gave me 5, so that's what I'm going to do. I did the other 3. Here's a double-sided thing. Okay, the way this operates couldn't be any easier. There's a foot pedal here that you just press to lift to your desired height. And it goes up how far? It takes it pretty darn far. Wow, that goes high. Okay, that looks about it. Look at that. All right, so you can see you can lift this up in increments. In this scenario, say you have rocks or something heavy, you can lift this right up to your tailgate, so you can easily load that on, or vice versa. If you're getting something heavy off, you can put it on here and then lower it safely. About 4 feet. I hope this video was helpful. I will leave shopping links in the description for your convenience. Let me know if you have any questions about things maybe I didn't cover. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also follow me on all of my social media accounts. You can find me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook as well. As always, thanks so much for watching. And until next time, take care.